Google is changing faster than most businesses can adapt. And here's the scary part. In 2026, your website may rank number 1 on Google and still get no traffic. Because users are no longer clicking links. They're getting answers directly from AI. Welcome to the new era of SEO. Not search engine optimization, but search experience optimization. AI visibility, relevance engineering. And if your company is still using 2023 SEO strategies in 2026, you are invisible. Every founder, every marketing expert, every startup, every agency needs to understand this before it's too late. Because the biggest SEO update in history is already happening. AI is replacing traditional search behavior. People are no longer typing best CRM software. Instead, they ask, which CRM is best for a 20-member SaaS startup with low onboarding complexity? That's not keyword search anymore. That's conversational intelligence. And AI decides the answer, not rankings alone. For the last 20 years, SEO was a game of keywords, backlinks, meta tags, domain authority, ranking higher than competitors. But in 2026, AI doesn't care who ranked first. AI cares who gave the best contextual answer. That changes everything. Because now, the winner is not the loudest brand. The winner is the most understandable brand. Google search results are slowly disappearing. AI overviews, chat-based search, personalized AI recommendations are becoming the new homepage of the internet. Users don't want 10 blue links anymore. They want one trusted answer, one recommendation, one solution, and AI gives it instantly. That means your website is no longer competing only with competitors. You are competing with the AI summary itself. Right now, most companies are still obsessed with how do we rank? Wrong question. The new question is, how do we become the source AI trusts? Because AI tools don't rank pages like humans. They analyze context, entity relationships, brand consistency, user engagement, trust signals, expertise signals, structured clarity. In simple words, AI is judging whether your content deserves to exist. This is the term every expert will be talking about in 2026. Relevance engineering, meaning creating content ecosystems so relevant that AI cannot ignore you. This means one blog is not enough anymore. One viral video is not enough. One landing page is not enough. You need a connected digital intelligence system where your website, LinkedIn, YouTube, podcasts, PR mentions, founder interviews, reviews, case studies, social media, community discussions all tell the same story. Because AI is building a profile about your brand across the internet, not just your website. In 2026, SEO success depends on 5 things. 1. Contextual relevance. Not more backlinks, better relevance. A niche blog with deep expertise can now outperform giant companies. Why? Because AI values precision over popularity. 2. EEAT signals. Experience, expertise, authority, trust. Google and AI systems want proof that a real expert created the content. Example, this video is as original as I am. That's why founder-led brands are exploding right now. People trust people more than logos. 3. Structured information. If AI cannot understand your content, you don't exist. Schema markup, clear formatting, direct answers, FAQs, tables, semantic structure will become mandatory, not optional. 4. User experience signals. Fast websites, mobile-first design, retention, engagement, session time. If users leave quickly, AI assumes your content failed and your visibility drops. 5. Video and visual search. This is huge. By 2026, video content will dominate informational search. People prefer watching over reading, and AI understands videos now, meaning your YouTube content is becoming SEO infrastructure, not just social media content. AI search is becoming personalized. That's why smart founders are building personal brands today. Here's what most SEO gurus still don't understand. AI search is becoming personalized, meaning two people searching the same thing may see completely different answers based on their interests, location, search history, buying behavior, professional role, device usage, AI interaction patterns. This means mass SEO is dying. Micro relevance is winning. The smartest brands in 2026 are not chasing traffic. They're building AI authority. They are publishing expert-driven insights, creating educational video content, building strong founder visibility, earning real mentions across platforms, using schema everywhere, creating topic clusters instead of random blogs, optimizing for AI citations, building communities, not just audiences. Because trust is the new ranking factor. Generic AI written blogs, dead. Keyword stuffing, dead. Fake backlinks, dead. Mass-produced content, dead. AI can generate information, but humans create perspective. And perspective is becoming the most valuable SEO asset in the world. So remember this carefully. In 2026, SEO is no longer about gaming algorithms. It's about becoming impossible to ignore. The companies that survive will not be the ones with the biggest budgets, but the ones with the strongest relevance, the strongest trust, the clearest authority, and the deepest human connection. Because the future of SEO is not just search, it's intelligence. And the brands that understand this early will dominate the internet for the next decade. I'm Kamal Keswani, and if you want to stay ahead of AI, marketing, business, and the future of digital growth, follow me on YouTube at Keswani Kamal. Because 2026 is not waiting for anyone, and neither should you. Learn, lead, and win. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore more exciting topics that businesses are actively seeking and discussing.